Hello everybody and welcome back to episode 2 of the Portal 2 mapping series. Today we are going to be looking at some advanced thingies, entities like a cube dropper or laser thing, and we're going to create two tests, one very simple one and another very simple one. But the first thing we need to do is, if we try to make a hole in the ceiling, everything will be selected. If you want to know why this is happening, it's because in the last episode we made a hollowed out box and not a room. So just hit delete. Then what we are going to do is, what is this thing right over here? What is this thing? What is this thing? Oh, let's just delete that. Wait, was that the portal gun? No, the portal gun's right over there. Okay, anyways, you hit this thing right over here. You make a floor. We are going to make a floor. So this is the top view, so we actually want to do this from the front or side view. So we can just do that. And as you can see, we have a floor. Then just hit enter. And then I don't know if I mentioned this in the last episode, but you can hold shift. First let's create the walls. So we have this thing right over here. Let us create the wall. Do that. And just do that again. Let's just leave it like that. And perfect. Now we have one wall. We're gonna hit enter, and then we're going to press shift. And which one is selected right now? Okay, so we're gonna press shift, then we're gonna move it all the way here, and there we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hit control, select both of those, and then we are going to press shift, create another two walls. Then we're going to click it again. Then we're going to be like dot 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 dot, and we have our walls. And now what we are going to do is at the ceiling. So this should be very simple. Just do that, and do that. And now we have a proper room. So let's quickly texturize it. So browse wall. I'm going to do this wall texture right over here. Okay. I'm using this handy trick to select all of the walls. And as you can see, all of the walls are selected, and we can just do BAM. And as you can see, we have this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do a floor, which will also be unportable, which will not be portable. And then we're going to add a ceiling, which is also not going to be portable. So that's it. Now we have our non-portable pro room. So now what we're going to do is we are going to create our first test. So what you want to do is you want to click the entity tool, do that, and do that, and then make this a prop test chamber door, apply. And as you can see, we have this dinner right over here, and kablammy, that's perfect. That is literally the most perfectest thing ever. And now we are going to turn this entity into a button. Prop floor. Wait, what? Prop. Okay. Why is this not working? Prop floor. The Q button. We're just gonna do that. Then we're just gonna move it somewhere there, and then we're just going to create a little little block. So we have this right over here, and we're gonna place it over here, and we're just gonna make sure that it extends to the whole map. Then we're going to hit enter, and then as you can see, we don't have a good texture, so we're just going to get another wall texture. And as you can see, the floor is also a wall, but that doesn't really matter. And it's time I introduce you to another tool. It's called the clipping tool. Step 1, select a wall. Step 2, exit out of this mode. Step 3, hit the clipping tool. Step 4, split. So yeah, basically what this does is it splits, and the red part will be deleted and this part will be kept, but we just want to split the parts, so we'll just do that. Enter, and then we have bam and bam and bam. Then we're going to clip this thing as well. Yeah, probably here should be good. Then we have a wall that we can make portable. Yay! We'll just get a clean wall right over here. Apply current texture, and there you go. Now we have done our first clip. Now it's time for our second clip. So we're going to clip out the floor right here. It's right over here. And hit enter. And now we have perfect. I don't think I ever did a clip that perfect. And now we're going to hit, now we are going to find a good floor texture right over here. Do that. And now, as you can see, we have almost everything we need. So now the last entity we need for this puzzle is a cube. Prop way, and also I don't think we're going to have time to do a cube dropper. So what we are going to do is, in the next tutorial, we are going to add a cube dropper. As you can see, that's perfectly set, and there is one thing, that door right over there won't open. So we have to do this, name this button 1, or just button. Then we name this door 1, and we do that. Outputs, add on press door 1 open, and there we go. But if you just leave it like this, when we put the cube on the button, it will open, and when we remove the cube, it'll just stay open. So we do that, copy paste, and then we do on press to door 1 close, and as you can see, nothing visual happened. Let's just quickly run the map. And as you can see, we get the portal gun automatically. This thing works. The walls also work. So here we have a cube. And there's no way to trigger a game close, and this is literally I don't want to see that. Anyways, that is it for today's video. And bye bye.